Hey, what is up everyone? This is David and welcome back to Sat Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks to make your Google Chrome experience a lot better, especially if you're left-handed. So as you noticed at the very bottom, you have the search bar. Now, usually it's on the top, but this time it's on the bottom, and even make it better if you swipe up, you have access to your Google Cards topic of interest, and you have quicker access to YouTube, Facebook, Amazon, and etc. So, if this is something that you would love to have, stay tuned and I'm going to show you exactly how to enable this feature.
Audio Jungle.
Welcome back everybody. So in order to get this feature enabled, what you need to do is go right here into your URL address, and you want to type in Chrome and these dots here, and you want to go ahead and hit // and then type in flags and then hit search. And then once that is implemented, you're going to come to the screen right now and it's going to tell you right off the bat, it says experiments, warning, experimental features ahead. By enabling these features, you could lose browser data or compromise your security or privacy. Enabled features apply to all users of this browser. So this is entirely up to you if you want to proceed to get these features enabled in Chrome. Now I am taking the risk to enabling this because I am a left-hand user. I use Chrome on a daily basis, and 95% of my time I'm using Chrome anyways. So once you get here, right up here where it says search flags, you want to go ahead and highlight on that and type in home, HOME, and then hit search again. Now once that is implemented into the into the search box, you're going to get this section where it says Chrome Home. Once you get here, go ahead and click where it says disabled and go ahead and highlight enable. Now as soon as you make that choice, it's going to say your changes will take effect next time you relaunch Google Chrome. What you want to do is go ahead and hit relaunch now, and then it's going to take you back into this section of flags. Once that happens, go into the URL and type in google.com. Once you go ahead and you type in google.com, you want to go ahead and just make sure that app is not running in the background anymore. As soon as you get done doing that, hit Chrome one more time, and have you noticed that now your URL search box is on the bottom instead of it being on the top? And to make it even better, you swipe up, and then you have your Google Cards with your easy access to Facebook and YouTube and whatever else you decide to put up on here. And with one swipe down, you can go ahead and get back onto your Google Chrome home. Now, another thing that I've noticed in Google Chrome is you can actually use your finger to write on the Google page itself. So instead of using a keyboard to search something up, you can just use your finger like the Samsung Galaxy Notes can. And so to enable this feature, you want to go directly into your settings here. Once you get there, right where it says Handwrite under Safe Search Filters, go ahead and enable this feature. Now by default it's going to be disabled. So once you get this enabled, go ahead and scroll down to where it says save. Go ahead and hit save. Once you get done doing that, you're going to see like on the Google page itself that says, hi, now you can write. And then you're going to have this logo on the far bottom right with a G in it. Hit that button. And then instead of using your keyboard, you can use your finger. So I'm going to just write in home. And yeah, I found this to be very, very useful and pretty freaking dope. Now, the cool thing about this feature is that if you misspelled something, on the bottom they're going to give you options. So if you meant to write home instead of home, you can go ahead and select that. Now you can't go left and right on here because there's no other options for you to choose from. So whatever is given you on the bottom, more than likely that's what you're looking for. Now if you want to get out of here and go back to basic keyboard, just go ahead and then hit that G. So when you hit that G, it kind of shrinks back down to the box of the G, and then just highlight the search box, and then you get your keyboard back. So again guys, I found this very useful, and I was actually fooling around on Google Chrome because I was actually bored and I found this out. So I was kind of like, yeah, I need to share this like now. So other than that guys, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.